What's up, guys? Here we got the Manitex 5155X with removable counterweights. We're going to run through the startup procedures, starting in the cab. Alright, inside the cab with a Kenworth blower, key to start. In order to engage PTO, you got to have full air pressure, at least 100 psi. PTO on after the truck started, crane power on. Just so you know, most of these cranes you also got to be in park to run outriggers. Outrigger remote control. Let's walk to the back to get to the bubble level. All the way on the back. Right near the hydraulic, the manual hydraulic controls. These are self-explanatory. If you need to use them, they're there for you. Otherwise, the remote's pretty handy. The remote. You gotta cycle functions by pressing function, hit the top button over, it goes blue. Top left goes left to pink, that's extend or down. Yellow is retract. Both outrigger jacks and beams. This is to run your winch and your front outrigger. This should be extend. Top right is beam. Third button down is beam. This is the back right one. Function. Now to retract the outrigger, we're going to hold function, press top left over to yellow, go back to the same outrigger, retract. This is front right, this is front left beam, back left beam. Jacks are on separate buttons, back right jack, front right jack, front left jack, bottom left jack. They're all positioned like as if you're standing at the back of the crane. This is your outrigger position. Back right would run this outrigger right here. When you're done, be sure to shut this off. Little note, this will telescope the boom also. It'll cable down, cable up. But if the boom is out of the rack, there's a sensor, it will not let you use the controls. So if the boom is out of the rack, you cannot run your outrigger remote control. To do the winch down function to green, winch up, winch down. Let's winch down. Let's winch back up. Do this before stowing, before travel. After stowing, before travel. This is a quick overview of the outrigger remote control on the Manitex 5155. This is pretty common with all the Manitex 50-ton and 40-ton cranes.